I was as a sian asemno ayaka. Moving from automatic posting to 25,000 cedis before posting. I was in Sembi as at go viral. I actually say as a teacher and Sunday before Jumano. Just what you are 25,000. Yet it is kind of 250 million. And that John Drone Mahama Catholic. I want you to know actually what you're amame. Ewo comment section. I Penyah Broke Media. Mess was any dim. Obe like video, no other my subscribe button. Somebody click even if you chance for no latest update. Now about what you're amame. Ewo comment section. So baswa. No actually first any be actually. On him say you got 24 election mono. On campaign grounds. Promise about the baby kwa bubruja even to the teacher trainings and nursing trainees no. Ya share omubo granting womu automatic posting.
I know all the problems you have with your allowances and everything. And we're going to come and make things better for you. We're going to come and restore automatic posting so that when you come out of school, you can get a job as quickly as possible. And your younger brothers and sisters who are going to come after you, when they come to the first year, they are not going to pay any school fees. We're going to continue all the hospitals that are being built so that we can employ as many of you as possible. And so I've explained to your patron, I'll create a proper program and come and speak to you. But for now, I said I cannot pass you by. I wish you very well. Make sure that you keep your voting cards well. On 7th December, vote for a change and vote for the 24-hour economy. All of us are waiting for 7th December. We know the problems with trainee nurses. And that is why when we're in government, we said we're going to substitute your allowance with the student's loan. That's what we said. And that is because we wanted to create more employment for you. What is important for you is not the allowance. It is to get a job when you finish school. But somebody came and said he will pay the allowances. Unfortunately, it was 419. When he went to Techiman, it took a young, small trainee nurse like you to say that you promised us you pay our allowances. I entered nursing training 3 years ago. I'm in my final year. For the 3 years I've been in school, I have not received even allowance once. And you know what? They pretended like they didn't know. Oh, allowances, I'm not sure. I have to ask the Minister of Finance. I am saying that come and pay the nurses. You owe them almost 30 months of arrears. Some of them have left school without receiving their allowances. And some of them are going to leave school again without receiving their allowances. But one thing I can assure you, it is about jobs. And NDC is committed to jobs. And so we are going to create the situation where we can employ as many of you as possible. What the MPP does is, they don't employ for 4 years. Then when it's getting to elections, they quickly say, oh, we've opened the portal for employment. And so they say they've got financial clearance to employ 15,000 nurses. Why have you waited till 3 months to elections before you say you're going to employ 15,000 nurses? And which ones are you going to employ? Are you going to start from 4 years ago or 5 years ago? Which batches are you going to employ? And that is why you must create a condition so that when you are coming out of training, we are sending you into employment at once. Ezu, I make you a commitment. When I come, the hospitals we are building that have been abandoned by this government, we will continue them. When I come, the Agenda 111 hospitals they are building, I'll continue and finish them. So that we can create more space to be able to absorb all of you when you finish school. This election is between Ghana and MPP.
What shall I come teachers' licensure exams? Because it doesn't make any sense.
Licensure exams, you can watch them 2020. You can't hold that. You can't watch them that 2020. And to assume say, and you say, what should say colleges of education no? Adi a omo chere nkwadaa no enu pempens ebebia e wo se edura e wo se wo ye hu bibi na omutimi eye omo exams no mu pie eye den na nkwadaa ombeba training college 4 years no mature exam afi bia omo chere exam afi bia omo chere exam edru 4th year no mature final exam no more pass it. Ya pass here, we are chasing my teacher for no. No, what I say, almost I'm better exam bibium, and son of my Joma to be some way teacher for. Ezu, ain't you there? See about licensure exam, no, you be year free.
A few moments later.
But only me na ya adwene. Edi ho dance ye say, mumu so obi o ma school. It's a teachers' licensure exams. Is it cancelled or not? It is still in session. Now say, scam starting kakra scam. Ya scam just for the kakra. On several occasions, teachers for esu omo ma school tifi omo nya adwuma nye, omo efo adwuma last year, ayenti omo ka. Just omo nyina abe demonstrations esu on countless times.
How many times have we brought our letters here and you refuse to answer us? That annoying PRO, Facebook PRO, no Betty. How many times have we submitted letters to you people? And they have sent you to come and receive letter. Oh, catch us and management. Which management? Is the management important than that? Is it not the taxpayers' money they are using to pay them? Annoying. People are here because of us. The ministry is here because of us. Because of education. All of us should request it. Not some of us. All of us should request it. We are committed to at the same time. Why must we request it? Have you
not good, yes. What is it? What are offense? No, we are the minister. Tell us.
How many times have we come here?
Enra, ana me copy a video bi so. As a video ntemu ya. Some of the teachers for now, omo school teaching is omo pay adwuma no. Ana recruitment air cost wo. Na recruitment air cost wo no. Omo call no ya ka kire mu say it is either say obetua 25,000 Ghana cedis. Titisika no 250 million. And I said, Masa, there is no employment for you.
Another appointment letter. Issue Nenra 9 December 2025. Or say the management of Ghana Education Service hereby offer you an appointment as a teacher at Adjiso SDA Basic School in New Japan South Municipal in the Eastern Region with effect from December 23, 2025. And also, Oba appointment letter from her say, Professor Gh250 Davis, Director General Ensa Eshasiye. Where another appointment letter, Mamekwa Homasoma, may read more of some and some more of these appointment letters are yensa kawaha. Na asembisa ba kuna yebisa Professor Gh250 Davis or ye Director General ewa Ghana Education Service. Recruitment eko suyi 25,000 Ghana cedis ankrofo appointment letters are nidisha siye any empenyefo ewa GES council any adia yakopi omuni nyina no oyawe eyono no wasansen ono ankasa na o sign sa appointment letters ya na omayenti asiye na recruitment no eye legal anasa eye illegal omayenti asiye. Richard Boache eye graduate teacher. Richard Martin.
Yeah, Anna.
It's a saying.
But you Nyame adomo. Also.
Nyame adomo we school year ben.
But 2024.
Last year.
2023 ni year service 2024.
Okay. What you where say recruitment e koso?
Recruitment there me ya where say koso. Bebre ya group ahodo bia ye wo mu ne amanfo tuatua sika e wo nti recruitment there mbajo me ya where say koso pa.
Mekasa we ya where say recruitment e koso a mekasa officially yes ye recruit a teacher for into obi anfa ne details emra ene ade bibisa na meka officially bibisa e koso.
Me pa chwa na mekasa recruitment there koso pa. Officially, I say you submit your details now. Who 25,000? Yeah, bema recruitment. I'm a January. We best start here, Juma. And so say scanner. Minya dey say what say scanner e dey baby tia. If you say yakosu ku a pass it through process ni na. Na me aboa me actual license and so what me pass. Happy year. Yes, you answer be free Juma this year be tia say scanner. Say ke kudu no so dey nya dey ye by recruitment dey me patch your koso.
Na we seniors every school omo kira de no omo ka kire wo da say official recruitment no omo tue sika ansa na ye fa o mana
me patch me nyanti ye wo ba bia me ni mitini eso e bi mo akasa kasa obia nka nje mso otia wan si di kura ansa na ye fa na djuma ato me nchi nya santi ye ni bi
nti se ade no eye official na sikatue bi animu dia se sikatua ewo de ekoso yi mu a would you still describe this as official recruitment?
Madam, no ne the yentini hu ni to sibre no if you say you say see be important na wa qualify bia say o apply no or so o apply no so the hu die ye supporter ni bi o so sen and then I'm a group I think I said in Amumpu. Among for the what submit details I say this is can I you need the ecoso. You need the ecoso busa, you say and penny for no you need then penny for a safety party, a safety party. You know man is penny for and say I office some more ye. You said they are any free party by good many the ecoso amount for chia and more appointment letters.
Now, what to say you be a portal for recruitment?
Mikase Matia, if Minister of Education, my every year, where say, will go to 6,100. Yentin was in BAB. And they say a tia in whose amount was at your appointment letter. And you name baby at the recruitment, and I said, you me porter be my.
And to say, a bimu 8 yako. Usikana na wuni anase edienti na wonko ye.
Me ba jo minister no. Ana me zo me hu de enti a ma party to process ni na me qualify say yitimi ko ye aduma. Na e wo se me tua se sika no me ni bi. Ya wi school betena fi aduma ko ye nya bi nye. Offer o letter o appointment you certificate o de ko fa aduma private school na de beko. Private school nso kwa onu so hu ni say what identity area aban ne befo aduma engineer de obefo sika de bema so form so sika de bema so ayin so any 300 cedis e bi kwa 2.5 na 2.5 na e dia na me de rent baby akoda na dia ne bedi na dia akwa na me be fa card akọ nti ukọ adwuma no nya bi nye na bi de menya sakutia minya nti me dia mi eni da so bia o baby ase me konya sika na baba betia ama e de recruitment
unim obi a wanya appointment letter no
group na ye wom ne de se de o maye no edin ni show bible one ni pa ne de na ya ba beto ho no mo nti group ni de e koso pa na se me ka se minim ase me sia na so bentia bible one ni pa ne details abeto o wi anu a hide ni din nti ade na e koso pa no so on pese obi be hu nti no ntimi mfa na nanim ma anase sei no e kwa ka se bia wo bisa se ho na de ma anase sei ba e koso
Mate, Richard, ade na obeka twato na me ne wawi.
Ba je de meka twato ni se. Yes, aban ni se wo ye mobo. Na omfa ye djuma, e bi se ye wie school 2 years ni asa ba be ye how dia ba to ya wo fo so. Yes, sorry ade be de ni je se ye pa ya wo fo ache no mama ye ska e de akota aduane adi. Areho. Na emfa ye ni se anka teacher training de wo kwa wadwuma sem di ankanya dia obre wo ho nze se die ye wi asanso ba be yo ha anya de so atu ya wo fo so tie sa ba ni se wo ye mobo no ma ye dwuma nye
Mate, Richard medase ene ebre wanya mame
bismillah
Richard Boate eye graduate teacher owie 2023 wagene national service awie last year owie yenso watwe ne licensure exams wa pass so ba oman ansa na mekono ma menka asemi
yeah
ye de ye tete oman ye tete se unse a teacher for ni bi o ma wie school e wo fie na recruitment enko ye no a ye mfa o madwuma tese de laboratory fo be ka o de enra no oman ye tete se esuma se recruitment bi ekoso
ewo a teacher for
ewo teacher for ni mu esuma se recruitment bi ekoso a omo etue sika me bo sika no so che wo ma no ti be ye oya
ye hwehwe ma na nka ye nchi nipa ba kominu bi because
yes
ye enye no so obi etue sika se obi etue sika ba wo hu nipa no so da
na oman de ye kan so ne se a teacher for wo fie droso sa kwanya beda ho wo se omo eye recruitment a omo miemu omo nya open
okay
but ye fam fase na microphone tu esika mfase na ye nyi sika no mfase na ye ma wo ma appointment letters mfase menyini se e wo se asoman ye soso sade we so
okay
joban we de ye de ho information nyina beba
atina da mbesi edi nkomo ho ye fancy na de
underground recruitment of teachers are ekoso no ye wo information nyina omo boss abra no menim se ye education service se ye education ministry ya te de ekoso nyina
okay
from automatic posting, someone who promised people automatic posting. So we national service ya near for Juma. From automatic posting, Abedru said you should have 250 million as a teacher. No budget bosume less than 40 million. Aye, you are coming to pay 25,000 cedis. I bet you less than 5,000 a month. And it take you more into the 5,000 krona. It take you 5 months. And soon as you can go to your quality adwuma once I can want back 5 months. Hey, Ghana. Well, to the wide mommy, our comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!